Hi, my name is Newell Davis with World Composting, and today we're going to do our final update of our Bokashi bin. Now, I've had this all winter sitting in my basement. I took it outside one time in the fall and it smelled absolutely horrible, and I have not been able to dig in the ground here to do anything with it. Now, I can't add it to my worm bins. It smells way too bad to do that. No way I want that to permeate through the house. So what I have here is I have a hole in the ground. I'm going to dump it in the hole. You can see what it looks like now that it's been sitting for almost 6 months, I guess, almost, between 4 to 6 months, without me really doing anything. I didn't drain any liquid off of it. I didn't do any of that stuff because it smelled so bad I could not do that in the house. So we're going to dump this in the hole, and maybe at some point I'll buy a real Bokashi bin. I think that was truly the flaw with my system. So let's go to the bucket here. Hold on here. Let's see here. So as you can see here, I've got the bucket, and I have a hole that I'm going to dump it in. Let's just see if I can move this a little bit closer here. A little tough for me to see the camera because of the reflection here and from the light. So this is our bin. I'm going to go ahead and take this out from here. Oh, this is interesting. So there's bugs all throughout here, it looks like. So this could be from the fact I haven't really added any more bran either to it, but there's bugs all over the outside here that have tried to get in and I guess have failed. So we're going to put that down right here. There is a little bit of liquid in here, which we're just going to dump in this hole. This hole is probably about 12 to 15 inches deep. I'm going to rinse these bins out afterwards and then figure out something else to do with them. But for right now, this is what we're doing. So I'm going to take this lid off. There we go. Oh, you can see there's a ton of white mold in here. Stuff, it still smells horrible, just as it did before. That's the reason why I never really went and did anything else with this. It's just, it smelled way too bad. There, you can still see the chicken bones in here. They don't feel any softer or anything. They're still, you can see everything is still in here. It's just not broken down at all, really. It's supposed to ferment it and make it where it's easy for the microbes in the soil to break it down. So we're going to dump this in here. Notice the newspaper is still in there too in the bottom. All right, so that's all we can get out of there for right now. Now, whew, that smells really bad. As I said, I think that my bucket here is not completely airtight with these holes on the sides. I think that's the issue. And then on top of it, I maybe did not have enough drainage. And then I had no way to really drain the liquid off without taking the bucket out, which also was an issue. So we're gonna just kind of move this around in here a little bit, make sure it's nice and buried. You can still see the lemon rinds in here, and there's corn on the cob right here. These did actually break down a little bit compared to what they were. But that's what we have in there. So now we're just going to fill this in and just let the microbes in the soil do their work on this. But that's my update for this week on this Bokashi bin, or I should say my final update on it, because we're done with it for now. Maybe at some point I'll get a real system and we can try that out. But until then, this is the best I'm going to do with this. I just can't keep it going in my basement, and I can't keep it going anymore with the way it smells. I mean, it just smells absolutely horrible. And I don't think it's the Bokashi itself. I think it's a system that does work. It's just, it takes a little bit more effort and also more materials, which I don't have. I'm only looking to throw away materials that I cannot put in to my worm composting systems. Now, there's another person that I followed online. He has a system that's supposed to be able to kind of break down everything in a worm composting system. So I'm going to try that hopefully in the future, and also have some videos. Sorry about the wind noise out here. It's kind of windy. So again, that's it for my Bokashi bin. I don't know if I'm going to try this again. I still have the one going with dog poop outside, and I will have an update on that hopefully at some point as well. But that, again, it's been frozen solid all winter, so it's been really cold this winter in Maryland, and it's been a little bit hard to do anything outside. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.